Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make your own U-part wig, and I am wearing bundles from Papayahair and they look freaking amazing, guys. I mean, look at that. I mean, I look really good. I love the quality. They are bouncy. I love everything about these bundles. So yeah, guys, today's video is in collaboration with Papayahair, and without any waste of time, guys, let's get into today's video. Before we start making this U-part wig, can we just appreciate these bouncy bundles from Papayahair company? They look really amazing. So for this video, I used my very gorgeous mannequin that's been through the most, but trust me, it gets the job done. T-pegs, needle, wig clips, pins, a thread, and a spandex dome cap. I'm starting off by securing my dome cap and making sure it does not move. I know that life can be busy, love, but you make time for the ones you love. So right now I'm marking the section that I'm gonna leave open. I'm using a T-pegs, but you can use a white eyeliner. That's where I'm gonna put my last track. Make sure the leave out is in a form of a U shape or a curved leave out. It is more natural and it is easier to get a seamless blend that way. So here I'm just showing you how I laid my first track down. It is super easy, but it was a bit challenging for me since I was filming and I had to make sure you get to see almost everything that I'm doing, especially if you're a beginner. I used to wonder why, but now I'm left with no more tears to cry. I know that life can be busy, love, but you make time for the ones you love. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation? You're all into all that you do. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation, leaving your affection for me at home? Tell me what you done. Please note that I'm doing a fold over method instead of cutting the tracks to minimize shedding. Sometimes it really feels like I lose control. Honestly, I can't even find my home. Cause when you see light, I tend to fade. This is how everything was looking after I have completed one bundle. I'm not mad at all. I'm pleased with the volume so far. So at this point, I'm still taking the tracks and placing them around the whole wig. Nothing hectic at all. I'm just sewing from one side to the other. So now I'm going to measure and cut about 2 to 3 tracks and thread straight across in like a semicircle, because there's not gonna be enough space to cover this part if I continue sewing from one side of the spandex cap to another. I tend to fade with city lights in your space, and I don't think I'm ever gonna get it right. So now that I'm done, I'm going to put the last track on the marking and then cut out the empty space of the dome cap. Then I'm going to add 3 wig clips, one on both ends and one in the middle of the wig.
Talking to each other, I know we feel the same about the situation, like we're stuck inside a game. Time to get out of this circle, yeah, we both carry a scar. Let's rewrite the part we're playing, time to cherish who we are. The only thing I ever wanted starts with us taking the chance, not like anything we've done before, yeah. Now it's time for something better, and time for us to follow our dreams. No, we can't stay no more. Come run away, don't be afraid, we'll be okay. And I know it's the right thing to do, let's break away. All colors will fade, let's go our own way. Now's the time to decide what to do, and I'll stand by you. Mixed emotions, the first step is always hard when you walk out of the doorway, but that's just the place to start. The only thing I ever wanted starts with us taking the chance, not like anything we've done before, yeah. Now it's time for something better, and time for us to follow our dreams. No, we can't stay no more. Come run away. About time we let things go. Is this our destiny? Just like it was meant to be. Yeah. Come run away. Don't be afraid. We'll be okay. And I know it's the right thing to do. Let's break away. All colors will fade. Let's go our own way. Now's the time to decide what to do, and I'll stand by you. I'll stand by you. Now's the time to decide what to do. Let's break away.
And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on Instagram at Curly Memes. And by the way, please do check the description box for more information if you are interested in buying this gorgeous U-part wig that I made. But of course, you're gonna get bundles. yeah, like there are tons of wigs there, so please do check out Papaya's website. And yeah, that's about it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.